I'm going to show you guys how to put on LED headlights for a Ford Econoline E250 van. These are Amazon ones. I believe $100 is what it costs. And these are some good old heavy duty. Look at these. That's what it's going to look like. You just need some 10mm socket or whatever you're going to use. Unscrew it. I think you're going to need an extension for over here.
Probably.
For the bottom. So bottom has 2 bolts. I've never done this before, but I took a look. Down here there's a bolt. Over there there's a bolt. And 2 up top. So go grab an extension, Daniel. Shouldn't be any kind of rocket science to do this. This will take off this housing, which will let us get to the bulb itself or to the headlight. And then we'll be able to replace it. And then maybe in the evening time, try to adjust it height-wise as far as how far the beam goes.
Let's see if this works.
I think you should just be able to remove it. Pull it out. So I guess 4 of these screws in this bracket. This is what holds it here. So much water in here. Just like that. Let's see what the new one looks like. Think it matters which one's left, which one's right?
I don't know if there's any markings on it.
Where's the top and where's the bottom in here? I don't think any of it matters. Should be plug and play. Just like that. In. And then in.
Oh yeah, that bracket will hold it, you're right.
And then this bracket holds it back. Just like that.
Yep.
And then to adjust the height and stuff, you mess with, these screws over here. Usually that's what that is all about. Okay, go flip the lights on. See what this looks like. Ooh. That's high beam right there. Wow. Pretty bright. High beam off. There you go. Okay. Now one bulb goes back inside.
If I can get it into place. This wire's too short to give me any room to do anything. Let's see. Here's the fat side. There.
What back? It goes right here. Keep it right there. So one side's almost there. Daniel's taking off the other side. He's the master mechanic. Super easy. Just this housing comes off. Undo the bulb for that side. You don't even have to do the side marker. And you unscrew this side just like last side and you're done. Okay, ladies and gents. Now it's time to put these back on. Let's do the, hold on. This is not in. This is, everything's up.
All popped out of place.
You see that? Bottom over there?
Did you get it?
No. Hold on. Okay. Make sure those wirings are not in the way. They're not in.
Why not?
Because we're not. Okay, we're good now.
Where's the other one?
Okay. Is this all tight?
Mm-hmm.
Two on the bottom and you're done.
Where's my extension?
Guess who has it?
Oh.
Give me that back. Little helper. We've got a little, no. Oh, there goes your Pepsi.
Oh, nice. Where's the other one? Not that.
Where is it?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking. It's gonna be that super small one. No, I don't have it.
It's the little guy. Okay, we did find the last bolt. You see how it goes in? There you go.
It doesn't need to be tightened that much.
Just needs to be tight.
Yeah.
Well, it's not loose. There we go. Boom. Let's see the look.
Oh, come on. I guess.
Oh, yes. Looks way different now. Look at this. Look how bright. Woohoo.
This is just low beams.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy. Crazy looks, guys. I don't even have the before and after. Too bad we didn't do a before video of what,
Well,
how
if
crappy they
you
are.
recorded this side on while that one was still just the normal one, you could have saw.
No, I'm saying at night.
Oh, yeah.
Too bad we didn't record it at night to show you guys what the big difference is in lighting, but we'll show you what it looks like at night. Maybe, if we don't forget. Now it looks like a real beast. Testing out the LED headlights today. They still need to be adjusted. I think I gotta put them down just a little bit. This is just from, you know, bolting them on and that's it. Zero adjustment. So I gotta see where it's high, where it's low, come up to a building and maybe drop them down a little bit. So this gap right here becomes smaller. But on camera it looks one way. To the naked eye, in real life, it looks really good actually. Kind of looks like you got fog lights, then you have headlights, which shines really far forward, and it doesn't blind people either. And it still seems to me that they're way too high, but nobody's flashing me. So far so good on these